With rising energy prices, even a small difference in efficiency translates to huge operational savings over the time.
But what does it mean in practice for automation applications in your industry? Find out by watching this short case study, carried out in an SMT electronics manufacturing facility, where energy consumption was higher than expected. The customer needed a practical way to monitor energy use across machines, identify inefficiencies, and lower costs without disrupting production. By introducing the solution, energy consumption was reduced by approximately 4%, a measurable improvement with direct impact on operating expenses. In numbers, that meant over 11,670 euros saved per year, with a system cost of 58,360 euros. The simple payback period was around 5 years. The SMT factory couldn't see where energy was being wasted. Machines consumed power even in standby, and the team had no clear starting point for energy-saving actions. The impact was clear in numbers. Annual CO2 emissions dropped from 1,182 to 1,135 tons. Nearly 50 tons less each year. That translates to a 4% reduction in energy use across 29 SMT line machines.
Energy costs keep rising. Efficiency demands are increasing, and sustainability regulations are getting stricter. Companies need to cut operational expenses, reduce carbon emission, and do more with less.
The solution combined a MELSEC IQR PLC MES interface module, Eco Web Server 3, and Eco Monitor Plus energy measurement units, providing full visibility of energy loss versus machine status. Data flows from energy meters through the PLC to the Eco Web Server, visualized on a standard PC or tablet. No complex integration required. This approach is perfect for electronics factories with SMT lines, AOI testers, and reflow ovens.